Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Tome of Want in Destiny 2. This powerful seasonal item allows you to precisely target the rewards you desire from various activities. It offers a much improved system for acquiring specific gear, moving beyond the less efficient methods of the past. Furthermore, the Tome of Want provides a valuable way to boost the effectiveness of certain seasonal artifact modifications, giving you an edge in your endeavors. Understanding its mechanics is key to maximizing your loot and power. To begin using this powerful tool, you first need to acquire it. You can unlock the Tome of Want by progressing through the Heresy episode's opening questline and reaching rank 3 with the Shaping Slab Vendor, found within Eris's apartment. Once unlocked, accessing the tome is straightforward. Simply navigate to your character's inventory screen. You will find it conveniently located under the Accessories tab, ready for you to begin customizing your reward pursuits. The core function of the Tome of Want lies in its ritual rites. You'll socket various scriptures to specify the type of rewards you're chasing, from broad categories to precise weapon types. To initiate a ritual, you must spend Essence of Desire, which is primarily obtained by engaging in heresy activities. As you complete activities like the Nether, your ritual energy will build. Once full, the tome will automatically grant you up to 3 copies of your chosen rewards, making target farming highly efficient. Beyond focusing loot, the Tome of Want also features tome engravings, which are crucial for enhancing your seasonal artifact mods. These engravings provide permanent upgrades to the boons you collect during your Nether runs, activating whenever a ritual is active. Remember to monitor your ritual progress directly from your inventory, so you always know when your next reward is due. By carefully selecting your scriptures and participating in relevant activities, you can significantly boost your efficiency and secure the items you truly desire.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.